Hello YouTube, in this video you will learn to unlock protected Excel sheets without password. Here I have an Excel sheet which is protected by password. You can see the file is opened, and when some changes need to be made in the document, we get a message that the sheet is protected and user may need to enter password in order to make changes in the document. Sometimes we may forget the password of our important document, which will create a trouble to us. So to get rid of that troubledness, let's begin the work. First of all, open the folder or any location where you have kept your file. If the file extension is not shown in the file name, click on the View menu, then go to Show Sub-menu and click on File Name Extension. After that, the file name along with the extension is shown. Change the file extension of Excel file by right-click and rename XLSX to zip and hit Enter as shown in the video. Click on Yes. Again, right-click on the zip file and click on Extract All to extract the zip file. Provide the suitable location to extract the file and click on Extract. You can see the file is extracted in the destination folder. Now double-click on the Excel folder available in the extracted folder. Double-click on the Worksheet folder. You can see the sheet1.xml file which contains the password which is to be removed. Now in the search box type Notepad. In the Best Match app you will see Notepad app. Right-click on the Notepad app and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now in the Notepad window, click on File and click on Open to open the sheet1.xml file. In the file extension type, select All Files. Search for the location of file and provide the path of the password-protected XML file and click on Open. Now press Ctrl+F from the keyboard to open Find dialog box. Type protection to find the word in the open document and click on the arrow to find the word. Now you can see sheet protection is found in the document. To remove the password, select the line of code starting from the angular bracket till the / followed by closing angular brackets. Delete the selected lines of code. Click on the File menu and click on Save. Now close the document window. Again, go the location where you have extracted the zip file. Select all the extracted file, then right-click and click on Compress to zip file. Provide any desired name to the file and change the extension to XLSX, that is the extension of Excel file, and hit Enter. Click on Yes to change the file extension. Now double-click on the file to open. Change the value as shown to check whether the password is removed or not. You can see the protection is removed with the above steps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more updates.